two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me tell you about Larry's mom. Got a temper like an atom bomb. Eating meat and smoking cigarettes. Kind of mouth without standing depth. To say the woman had a wild side would be missing a point 5 miles wide. She cranks it up like heavy metal when mama blows her top like a tea kettle. Let me tell you about Larry's dad. Half funny but it's mostly sad. Never heard him speak a single word. Broken spine of a weak-winged bird. Gentle manner and an easy touch. Never figured he'd amount to much. Turned softer than a rose petal when mama blows her top like a tea kettle. Let me tell you about Larry's brother. 6'1", half a dozen the other. Crazy Jack, his fraternal twin. They barely met until they both turned 10. Young John was good with his hands. Born second but the first to stand. Still feels a little unsettled when mama blows her top like a tea kettle. Let me tell you about Larry himself, the fastest engine east of Philadelphia. Firm grip on the steering wheel, thick skin with nerves of steel. Red lining with the windows down, in the wind he hears the lonesome sound. Brings the boot down on the brake pedal when mama blows her top like a tea kettle. When mama blows her top like a tea kettle. When mama blows her top like a tea